Oh, let the choir sing, let the trumpets blow, for the woman of valor who carries the glow. In the shadow of sorrow she stands oh so bright, with a heart full of love guided by the light. LanaCoin night number 13, a bearer of pain yet never unseen. She walks with the burdens but not with despair. In the depths of the night her spirit laid bare. With every step taken she holds the past dear, preserving the memories through joy and through tears. I walk with sorrow, I build with hope. Her heart beats echo, teaching us how to cope. From the ashes of loss, new dreams will arise. Through the tears of the mourner, we rise to the skies. She carries the weight of those who have gone. In the silence of night, she'll sing them a song. Each note a reminder of love that won't fade. In the garden of memory, the foundations are laid. Her tears water seeds in the soil of our grief. Nurtured by compassion, they bloom with belief. Oh, I walk with sorrow, I build with hope. Her heart beats echo, teaching us how to cope. From the ashes of loss, new dreams will arise. Through the tears of the mourner, we rise to the sky. And in every shadow where darkness may creep, she finds the strength to stand firm and to leap. With fire in her spirit and grace in her soul, she builds a tomorrow united in